Learn and grow on the Spotty Dotty Show.
Did you know that you can make a boat by using just paper? And it can float on water too. Let me show you 7 easy steps on how to do it. Step 1, fold it in half. Make sure that the corners meet and press it down. Step number 2, hold the 2 corners and fold them by meeting in the middle. Right over here. Grab them and meet them in the middle. Make sure that they align, that they meet together in the same line. And then if you're happy with it, press it down. You want to create a nice tip. It's a triangle. Press it down. Step number 3. If you look at the bottom of the paper, you have 2 flaps. I want you to grab one and fold it up, and then the other one, fold it behind. So one was folded in front, the other one behind. This is what we have so far. Step number 4. These little edges, I want you to fold them in. So they're going to align with the triangle on both sides. Now you have a perfect triangle. Step number 5, you're going to find the opening in the bottom. You see, right here. Grab both sides and open. Pull them sideways. You're going to open now. Now you don't have a triangle anymore. You have a square. Do you see it? Step number 6, take this bottom corner and fold it up. Press it down, flip it over, and do the same on the other side. Now you have a triangle again. Step number 7, you're going to find an opening in the bottom of the paper again, just like before. Do the same as before, open it sideways, and now you have a square again. Now this is going to be tricky. It's going to be the big review. Right on the top, you're going to see 2 little corners sticking out. You're going to pick it up, you're going to hold it firmly, and pull it to the side. As you do that, your boat will come to life. You're going to have a little triangle in the middle. Now this is the time to really fix your boat. Maybe put your finger in underneath. Fix it around. Make it look just the way you like it. And there you go. You have a boat. Now it's time to play. All right, guys, it's time to sail away. Put your boats down. Go! Go, 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 go! Here, Donnie, here. Stay tuned for more how-to videos. You don't want to miss it.
Please like and subscribe and stay creative.